How to edit your profile on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your profile on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it, and now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there, and you can edit your profile from there by changing your email or anything you want. By click on it and click on setting and privacy and click on manage account. Here you can change some account information. If you want to edit your profile, all you need to do is click on edit profile and change. Here you can change your name, your username, your bio and email and category, add your Instagram link, your YouTube link, and this is it. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.